Hello, I am Chris Corvan, host of the Dripping Creativity Podcast and the founder of the Creative Catalyst Cafe. Putting together an EPK can be such a confusing process. Like, what do you include? How do you make it look professional? This breaks everything down in such an easy and digestible way with simple steps, nice checklists, and templates that actually make sense. This is a huge help for artists who want to be taken seriously by industry professionals because it helps present yourself in a way that looks polished and legit without having to figure it out all on your own. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, hands down. If you are an independent artist trying to book shows, get press, get paid, or just pitch yourself for opportunities, having a solid EPK is essential. This blueprint makes sure you are putting your best foot forward, and honestly, it takes so much stress out of the process. I've gone through it, and honestly, what stood out the most is how clear and easy it is to follow. Highly recommend. Check it out. I will be promoting this as much as I can because I absolutely love this product.